Okay, June 1st, 2011. I'd like to take the time to explain our earthen oven project here. This object that we're starting to look at has a stone base, which is made from peridot bomb basalts. We have local mines, peridot mines. This is a clay top, and I'm going to go around the oven. It took a process of putting together different clays, natural clays. The bottom does have some concrete between the stones to help, but you can use adobe. The outside diameter is, straight across the radius is about 6 feet on the outside. And as we go around, you can see the different colored stones that we've placed into the base. The clay itself is made from local surrounding clays. There's different binders in there. You can see wood chips. We went to the local lumber yard to recover those. In the Midwest, and where there's straw and hay available, they make a mixture of clay and different types of straw to form a cob, which was an early house making material. This is a design that's taken both Western and Southwestern native style. The oven on the top is basically just a clay dome, which is built. It's got an interior floor of about 4.5 feet all the way across. We burn the fire until it's a white ash, and it has a chimney, of course. You can see the chimney up there. Now these ovens you have to maintain. We didn't use, this is our first oven, so we didn't have what I would, my brothers described as a good mixture of clay with different binders to be able to withstand the heat that we're producing here. We burn mesquite wood. Of course we have cedar and oak and different junipers, which they use up north, but mesquite is quite abundant, and so is the catclaw, which is another mesquite tree species within the same tree species. So these are some of the tools. We have a pizza shovel. You have your typical fireplace tools, your shovel, your brushes. And what we do is, once we have burnt a fire, we'll sweep the floor with the broom or some type of material that would basically be heat resistant. So you got to be careful there. And then you take a regular mop and you douse the mop so that you could wash the floor. Essentially, the heat is so intense. It's basically you're sterilizing, your cooking surface. So you can then slide pizzas in, bread. We cook roasts, every type of food you can imagine that you would cook in an oven. And the outside here looks a little crackly. That's normal. We haven't put the outside coating on yet. This is kind of mid-stage, but it's heavily used. We've cooked hundreds, if not more than 1,000 different firings on this one oven. So that's about it for now. I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the solutions that do exist, and this is certainly one of them. Returning to our ancient ways of cooking and of the types of food that we're cooking in here. So for now, over and out from the San Carlos Apache Res.